Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now tap on additional settings. Following that, select languages and input, manage keywords and debird. Then tap on text correction. Lastly, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection. This way you will turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!